Thank you for viewing Singularity Now, the artificial intelligence timeline, where we count down to the technological singularity and the dawn of the post-human era and the automated totalitarian control grid. These are your biggest headlines for the week.
The U.S. Missile Defense Agency is requesting $66 million to develop drones that can be fitted with lasers capable of destroying enemy missiles prior to launch.
The U.S. military reportedly is upgrading a type of dune buggy with self-driving vehicle technology.
The U.S. military is working in tandem with a lab from the University of Southern California to create virtual people that inhabit a virtual world for the likely purpose of doing virtual war games and to help with more accurate modeling of possible futures. The article did not clarify where the Army gets the data upon which to base its virtual people and whether or not it is buying data from surveillance state actors to create digital twins of Americans to live in a digital parallel U.S. for the purposes of gaming what will happen to the country in the event of various wartime or otherwise catastrophic events.
A so-called futurist said AI systems could evolve to be 1 billion times smarter than humans, therefore it is mandatory that humans merge with machines to avoid being rendered obsolete. The use of silicon-based components in quantum computing technology is being hailed as a breakthrough. The development shortens the timeline and improves the prospects for the near-term development and release of operational models.
In October, the U.S. Department of Homeland Security launched a new rule mandating the tracking the Internet activity of all visa applicants, visa holders and legal permanent residents.
Google is developing an AI leveraging bot that users can deploy to automatically reply to texts and emails. The system assimilates all the data it can harvest on you. It then interprets your incoming texts and based on what it knows about you gives you multiple choice responses to them.
Your digital cloud-dwelling twin will be largely automated. Initially it will represent you, that is, after it assimilates all the data automatically harvested on you to arrive at a simulacrum of your personality. At least at first, it will seem to be under your control. However, ultimately, the illusion of control will fade incrementally, and it will increasingly start dictating to you your every choice and action.
For these headlines and more, go to Amazon and search for Singularity Now. Thank you for watching, and remember, your apathy ensures that you are the last of free humanity. Future generations will not forgive you for selling them into high-tech slavery.